Hello everyone, myself Dr. Venkat S. Mani, Head of Chemical Engineering Department, KK Wagh Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nasik, Maharashtra. We are going to talk on types of moisture in drying. As we all of us know, what is meant by the drying? Drying is the process of removal of moisture from the solid. There are batch drying and continuous drying. The basic classification of the drying, batch and the continuous. Batch drying is nothing but the material we are going to dry batch wise. That means at a stipulated time, at the interval, we are getting the dried product or the solid material. And in the continuous drying, the wet solid we are going to enter simultaneously, and we are getting the dried material or the substance also continuously. Okay, there are basically the different definitions with respect to the moisture present in the substance. For example, moisture, bound moisture, unbound moisture, free moisture, equilibrium moisture. But this moisture content is measured in terms of moisture content on wet basis or the moisture content on the dry basis. The moisture content on wet basis is nothing but the kg of moisture per kg of dry solid plus kg of the moisture content, and the moisture content on dry basis is nothing but the kg of the moisture content per kg of dry solid. Here the moisture content is added. Okay, here is completely on the basis of the dry solid, that is kg of moisture per kg of dry solid itself. Okay, now we are coming to the core part of this lecture, the types of moisture in the drying. Imagine the moisture is present in the dry. Then what are the different types of moisture? The types of moisture are equilibrium moisture, it is denoted by the X star. Then bound moisture, unbound moisture, free moisture. Equilibrium moisture is nothing but the moisture contained by the substance is in equilibrium with the partial pressure of that vapor. Equilibrium moisture is nothing but the moisture contained by a substance is in equilibrium with the partial pressure of the vapor. Okay, then bound moisture. Bound moisture is nothing but the moisture contained by a substance is exerts less pressure than that of the pressure exerted by the pure liquid at the same temperature. I will repeat. The moisture contained by a substance exerts a pressure less than that of the pure liquid at the same temperature is called as the bound moisture. What is meant by the unbound moisture? Unbound moisture is nothing but the moisture contained by a substance which exerts a pressure equal to that of the pure liquid at the same temperature. Here is less than that, and here is the equal to that of the pure liquid. Free moisture. Free moisture is nothing but the excess of the equilibrium moisture. Moisture contained by a substance which is in excess of the equilibrium moisture is called as the free moisture. We can see here graphically. This graph is nothing but on the x-axis the moisture content, and on the y-axis the relative humidity of the gas. X-axis moisture content, y-axis relative humidity of the gas. Okay, this is the x versus y curve you are getting. Here is the one value, that is the relative humidity of the gas. Now see the types of moisture. This is the unbound moisture. Okay, this portion is for the unbound moisture which exerts a pressure equal to that of the pure liquid at the same temperature. Okay, and this is the bound moisture. It takes a time to remove that. That means which exerts a pressure less than that of the pure liquid at the same temperature. If you check here the free moisture and the equilibrium moisture, this is the value of the equilibrium moisture. Equilibrium moisture is nothing but the moisture is in equilibrium. The pressure exerted by that is in equilibrium with that of the partial pressure of the vapor. Now this value, see, this is the highest value of x and this is the equilibrium value of x star. Okay, this value, the moisture which is in excess of the free moisture is nothing, excess of the equilibrium moisture is nothing but the free moisture. Okay, it means here the four types of moistures are there: equilibrium moisture, excess of that, free moisture, bound moisture and the unbound moisture. This is how we have cleared the different definitions. What is the meaning of different types of the moisture in the drying process? We also talked about the definition of drying, then classification of with respect to the operation, that is batch drying and the continuous drying. Then we measure the moisture on the moisture content by wet basis or by the dry basis, and these are the four types of moisture. We have explained on the graph of moisture content versus relative humidity of the gas. In the graph we can easily understand how we know or how we can understand about the unbound moisture, bound moisture, free moisture and the equilibrium moisture, the four types of moistures. I think all of us can understand easily with this graph of moisture content versus relative humidity of the gas. Okay, with this we stop. Thank you very much.